Okay, we're putzing right along, my class. At the end of part 5, we will be done with 3 pages on the final, only 2 more pages to go from the final, so only 2 or 3 more parts after this. But, factor. Do you remember how to factor? See if you can do these 8 problems right now. Freeze the video and then turn me back on when you're done. Well, obviously, the first one's difference of squares, so it'd be x plus 6, x minus 6. This one's a trinomial. What are the factors of 16 that add up to 8? How about 4 and 4? So I'd write that as a square. Now here we go again, difference of squares. What do you square to get 9? 3. What do you square to get x squared? 49 is 7 squared. This one is x minus 4, x minus 3. Here, this is a sum of cubes. You remember, first write it without the cubes. Then square the first term, opposite sign, product of the two, add the square. Did not give myself enough room. Here, 4-term polynomial. It does not look like the first 3 to go together, so it's a 2 by 2. So I'd have x to the 5th, factor it out as x plus 1, factor out the 6. So it'd be x plus 1, x to the 5th plus 6. Yay! Here, factor it up, it's x plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared, minus, oh, it's off the page, I'm sorry, minus y squared, minus y to the 4th, which is y squared squared, so it'd be x plus 3 plus y squared, x plus 3 minus y squared. So I kind of messed that one up. That's my fault. See if you got all 3 of these done. This one was off the page. Okay, so this is x minus 5, x minus 4. This one, 3x has to be first because it's only 2 numbers that multiply to give me 3. Then I'm going to multiply this one by 3, this by 4. Largest combination goes with the middle sign, so it'll be minus 9 plus 4. And this one, let's see, 10 is 10 and 1, 5 and 2. 6 is 6 and 1, 3 and 2. And I think I see it. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. So it'll be 5x, and the 3 goes with the 5, 2 and 2. Last one's plus, so both signs are the same as the middle. So we got 4 factor completely. Remember, factor completely means factor more than once. So, or do we have 5? I guess we have 5. So do these 4 and then go from there. So I'm going to factor out a 2. Then this would be x plus 2, which is x plus 2 squared. Here, factor out of x. People always forget to factor out the GCF. Then difference of squares. Here, this is difference of squares, no GCF, so you'd have x squared plus 9. 9 squared is 81. X squared minus 9. But I'm not done. You can factor x squared minus 9. So it'll be x squared plus 9, x plus 3, x minus 3. This one, what are the factors of 16 that add up to 17? So it'd be x squared minus 16, x squared minus 1. But wait a minute, we're not done. These are the difference of squares. So it's x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. First step, factor out GCF, which is which is 3. X squared minus 7x minus 8. So it'd be 3, x minus 8, x plus 1. Last term's minus, so you're subtracting. Signs are different. Then the last part should be pretty quick. Do you remember how to do it? Parallel, same, equals, perpendicular, So, here the slope is 3, parallel slope is the same, perpendicular, negative, reciprocal. Here, x equals the numbers of vertical line whose slope is always undefined. Undefined. Perpendicular 0. So 5 minus 4 is 1 over 5 minus 3 is 2. Remember, it's always changing y over changing x. So parallel, a half, perpendicular, negative 2. See, this is going quick. Slope is a fourth, so parallel slope is a fourth. So perpendicular is negative 4. That would be negative 4. So this is going pretty quick. We are done with 3 pages of the final. Oh my goodness. Bye-bye.